Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a Suncorp bank account online in 2024. So today we're exploring the process of creating a Suncorp bank account online, which will offer you the convenience of managing your finances from the comforts of your home. Whether you're new to Suncorp Bank or looking to expand your banking options, if you have like an everyday account, you want to create a saving account or the opposite. So stick around as I guide you through the steps of creating Suncorp bank accounts online in 2024. And let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, we'll have to go and visit their Suncorp Bank website. To do so, go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, and of course in your case, it could be any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you open that browser, basically just go to the URL section, just type Suncorp space bank and hit the enter button. This will take you to this page. Click on this first link, which is suncorp.com.au, which is Australia. And as you can see, you will find yourself in their home screen or main screen right away. So if you have an account, maybe you have a checking account, a banking account, or an everyday account, click on login to log into your account, as you can see. This will help you through creating new accounts, new account type. Well, it will fill your personal information at least, so you don't have to or even residential address and etc. This you already filled during the creation of the account the first time. If someone did it to you, you can see how to do it manually right now in this video. So if you don't have an account and you even know nothing about Suncorp and you want to know something about it, so you can scroll down to read more information about this website here. Click on the links and read the information that they have in here. It should be sufficient for you to have a general idea about this bank before creating an account on it. Some people like to. So now what we'll need to do is simply go and choose the account type or just look for the account type that we want. Do we want a personal banking account, home loans, business banking? We want a everyday account, a saving account in term deposits, buy now and pay later, or just some credit cards? What do we want? For me, as an example, I want just an everyday account. So I'll just go and click on that. And as you can see, for everyday accounts, they have 3 plans. So they have our everyday account with carbon insights, and our everyday account for low incomes earners and government benefits recipients. So each of those plans has its own features. Like this one for the everyday option account, for 6 months you will get a 4.6% PA with flexi rates, no monthly account keeping fees, 0 foreign accuracy conversion fees, a Visa debit card, open up to 9 sub accounts, and looking higher rates and all access. You can read the other informations by your own by pausing the video. For this one, you'll have the same thing as this, same in here, same in here, same in here, same in here, same in here. But in all access, you'll have an extra level of overdraft protection and get a carbon insight and even online access like digital access and e-statement help to reduce your carbon footprint. For this one, you'll basically have the same options, but you'll not have like this rate, and you'll have the same feature, same second feature, same third. For this one, you'll have an extra level of overdraft protection, which is you have in here, and all access, which you have in here. So for you, just choose whatever suits you and open an account. As you can see, it will take 5 minutes for each one. So I'll just go and open this first one. If you're already a customer, click on existing customer. If you're not, click on new customer in here. So once you do so, you will be taken to another page to start filling or to start filling your application. So basically, wait for the page until it loads. It should not take a lot of time. As you can see here, you'll start having or answering their questions. So welcome, let's get started. Opening an everyday option account should only take about 5 minutes. So to apply for this account, you must have at least one form of ID on hand, which is Australian driver license, passport, or Medicare card, or be 11 years of age or older, which is so good. In for US, normally you'll need to be 16 in some banks and 18 on the most of them. So as example here, to get started, who is the account for? Is it just for you or me and someone else? So choose whatever suits you. For me, I'll just do myself and click on agree and continue. Of course, make sure to read the privacy policy and the privacy statements. Here, you'll have to finish your informations or to enter your information, starting from your details, your ID, last checks, and account opened. So the title, just do Mr. Name. For me, I'll just enter some random information. Make sure for you have everything accurate. If you have middle name, enter it. If you don't, just list it as it is. Empty. And the last name, I'll just enter tester. The date of birth, make sure it's day, month, and year. So just 0.0202 2002. Mobile number. If you don't have a mobile number, you can check this option and you can enter the landing mobile phone if you want to. If you have, just simply go and enter that. For me, as I said again, this is just a random one, so I'm not worried. So here, I'll have to enter my email address at gmail.com, and then I'll have to enter the residential address. If I don't have one or if you can't find it, simply you'll have to fill, as you can see, all those informations. If you have it, just simply enter that in here. So I'll just enter your informations in here and you'll basically find it right there. Would you like to provide us with the tax file number now? If you want, click on yes. If you know, click on no. Or if you have a tax exemption, just simply enter it here. So for me, I'll just go and do now. Are you a citizen of a country other than Australia for tax purposes, or US tax residents or US citizens? So click on no for me. For me, as I said, I'm just doing some random things. For you, make sure to have everything accurate. Now you'll have to enter your password. Make sure it's eligible until it shows here. Once it shows there, click on next. And as you can see, now you'll have to verify your ID. So get your verified by submitting that. How would you like to verify your identity? Verify in person or online. So you can skip, I'll do this later. So if you click on it, as you can see, but just better add in free sub account. So I'll just enter some random stuff. Click on confirm open account. For me, I don't have to, or I don't want to do that, because as I said before, I just enter some random informations, so I don't want to click on open accounts. And for you, just click on it, or even before, make sure to review all the informations that you entered. You can go back and review it, and or even simply review it once before clicking on next. And that, of course, because if you have some inaccurate information like me, your account will get denied, or your application will not get denied, and you'll not be able to create an account. So once you do so, just click on confirm open account to submit the application. And of course, you'll have to wait until it gets approved. Some like account types and verification, depending on like the account type and verification process, you may even receive some immediate approval or further instructions via email, depending if you have like some specific account types. And upon approval, you receive a confirmation email that you have your account and you will have access to it, and even some instructions on how to activate it if there are some. So there you have it. You successfully learned how to create a Suncorp bank account online in 2024, allowing you to enjoy the convenience of managing your finances from anywhere. So if you have a question or the specific topic that you'd like me to cover in the next tutorial, just drop it down below in the comment section and I'll try to do this as soon as possible. So thank you for watching and goodbye.